to our crib!
These
These are the lovely bathrooms.
are our own bathrooms right here. And come on in.
If you come this way.
This is the media center.
Media center.
This is Corinne, our lovely advisor. And here we are, working on stuff.
Our stories for the day.
Go over here.
Under member pay?
That's the stage where people can make speeches and talk about things.
What you working on?
I'm doing a vlog for who won out of the Music Choices Bowl. Their dance last night.
Very nice. I'm going to show you to the green room.
This is the green room.
It's actually green.
It is green. Not a green screen. These are our couches. They're very comfortable.
We have a flat screen TV.
Welcome to my